This is my super snow blizzard. Blaze. Obviously, he's beautiful, man. He's 112 grams right now. He's about a year old. He's still growing. I don't really have anybody I'm gonna mate him with yet. I'm looking for that one special big girl too, so I could have. I'm trying to make like giant and super giant snow blizzards with no marks on them. So it's just one solid color. His both eyes are black. Oh, Blaze is fast. He's fast, Blaze. I mean, he's pretty big. If I put him next to my sandal, you can see he's a big boy. Blaze is about, he's about 11 inches right now. Say hello, Blaze. My dirty sandal. Forgive me. Let me get him out of here. He's looking for a place to hide. And I'm doing this outside. He won't run away though. I mean, he trusts me. He's pretty cool.